6:04 p.m. I've cleared immigration, customs, and security. They're now asking you to take your snacks out of your bag and put them through security separately, which is the first time I've run into this. Here's the famous LAX archway, and I don't know what that was, and the original control tower maybe? I mean, now it's just like in the middle of all these terminals, and that's obviously the more modern, much taller ATC tower. So I think I'm in Terminal 6 now, where I came out from Immigration, Customs, and Security. You can see all the United jets lined up over at Terminal 7. So I've got to go through this passageway here. Getting lots of exercise on this trip, making all these connections. There's an aircraft coming in for landing here. Looks like American. Okay, so should be good on time for the connection to San Francisco at 6:40. When I get to gate 83, they'll probably be starting to board if all is on time.
Yeah, I told them
Well, that's a big transition from the ancient, decrepit Terminal 6 into the remodeled Terminal 7 here. And I may actually be going onward to Terminal 8. Ooh, more walking. Oh, okay. I see gate 83 now, and I see an aircraft there. That's good. Oh, and now we're gonna go from the rehab Terminal 7 back into the older part of the airport. Looks like maybe there's some construction going on here with these temporary lights hanging down. Maybe this is the next United terminal to get a rehab. Okay, San Francisco on time, gate 83. Oh, okay. All right, here we are, gate 83 for San Francisco.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you're joining us here for United Flight 480, which is San Francisco. My name is Herb. I'm with Kathy. Pleasure to welcome you to this flight in this gate. As you can see, customers are still exiting aircraft for your departure flights. As soon as the visitors have seen or serviced the aircraft, we have to take the aircraft and our new crew aboard the aircraft and does their safety checks. We should be able to board flight 480 at that time before San Francisco at doorway 83. As a reminder, if you'd like to check in a carry-on bag here for this flight, we'll be glad to check in for you to your final destination. Just let us know what your final destination is, and if you decide to check your carry-on bag, make sure you have everything you'll need during the flight, such as medication and remove any spare lithium batteries, e-cigarettes, or personal vaporizers from your carry-on
Looks
bag.
like we have a slight delay here.
Bags are not permitted in the cargo hold. If you're in Group 5, you're able to bring on board one personal item, such as a purse or briefcase. If you have more than that, just see one of us at the podium so we can assist you. Thank you.
Wow, 79. It's quite warm for San Francisco. So a bunch of middle seats left in economy plus, and a couple windows and aisles in the back of the plane. There I am, number 46 on the first class upgrade list. Oh my gosh, for 12 seats. And number 6 awaiting a seat on standby, so shouldn't be an issue to get on the flight given how many empty seats are displayed, so that's good. Yeah.
On the GoPro.
Lengthy journey here. Bye.
Have a good night.
Okay, we arrived here at San Francisco International Airport 8:10, just 2 minutes behind schedule. Finally made it to San Francisco. I'm actually doing pretty good in terms of energy, although I think once I get into town to my hotel, I will be ready to wind down and crash. But I only slept maybe 2 hours on the Washington-London flight, and then maybe 3.5 hours on the London to Los Angeles flight. So definitely sleep deprived here. But just hop on the BART into the city, walk to the hotel, 2 nights there, and then onward to South Korea on the 747 on Friday. That's the plan as of this moment anyway. Of course, when you fly standby, plans can always change, as they did today, but it's worked out very well so far, except for the fact that I've only seen a 747. I haven't actually flown on one, but that should change with any luck on Friday, and then the final United International 747 flight from Seoul back to San Francisco on Sunday the 29th. Sorry.